All right, my people. So on today's video, we are going to be making the top bars for the Langstroth Hive. So the last video I uploaded was how I made the box. So today I'm going to be making the top bars. As you can see, I'm cutting and measuring the sizes of the top bars so that it will fit into the box. Mind you, I have already gone to my older hive that have bees inside, measure the sizes and length of the frames inside the old one. So I'm going to be inserting it into this new one when I'm done. So guys, I don't have much talk on this. Stay tuned. Watch as I design this box step by step on tips guiding on how I made the top bars. This thing I'm doing now is leveling the part of it where the top bars will be laid so that the top bars will be placed safe and sound. So guys, nothing much for the day. Just
Welcome
watch the
to
video.
Wisdom Honey Farm
Drop your
Diary. Hello, beautiful people all around the world. My name is Wisdom, and I welcome you to Wisdom Honey Farm Diary, where nature speaks, bees work, and pure honey is made with love. Have you ever stopped for a moment and watched how bees live? How they move from flower to flower, calm, focused, and hard-working? Bees are not just insects, they are life givers. They help our plants grow, our food exist, and our world stay alive. Without bees, our ecosystem would not survive. Here at Wisdom Honey Farm Diary, we respect, protect, and learn from these amazing creatures every single day. We don't just produce honey, we produce natural, healthy, and original honey straight from the source. No chemicals, no shortcuts, just purity from nature. Our honey is 100% natural, rich in nutrients, good for your health, made with care and passion. This channel is not just about selling honey, it's about education, lifestyle, and connection with nature. I will be sharing how bees live and work, how honey is produced, the importance of bees to the world farm life experiences, and of course, our premium honey products. So if you love nature, health, and real organic products, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Support nature, support bees, support life. And most importantly, come and taste the sweetness of nature with Wisdom. Honey Farm Diary. Thank you, and welcome to the family.